Hello and welcome to my latest video. Hello and welcome to my latest video. Now I think the last time we were in index and then we went to style. Now you have styled three elements by writing CSS inside the style tags. This works, but since there will be many more styles, it's best to put all styles in a separate file and link to it. You have created a separate styles.css file for you. We have created a separate styles CSS file for you and switched the editor view to that file. You can change between files with the tabs at the top of the editor. Start by rewriting the styles you have created in the styles.css file. Make sure to exclude the opening and closing tags. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that cancel that. We're going to take that. So the H1, Control C, and we're going to put it in the style file basically. Check your code. Yabba dabba do. Moving on. Now that we have the CSS in the styles.css file, go ahead and remove the style element and all its contents. Once it's removed, the text will be centered. The text that was centered will shift back to the left. So basically we're going to take all the style tag out, the H1, the H2, the P, and everything within it. Keep the head right enough. So hey, that's all we do there. Now you need to link the style CSS file so that the styles will be applied again. Nest a closing link element in the head element. Give it a rel attribute value style sheet and an href attribute value of style CSS. Right, so link rel relationship equals styles dot css. So we're getting that for that there, styles.css. So we're linking the two together now, the index and the style CSS. I think that's how you do it anyway. So link rel equals style.css. Oh no, it's no. Take that back. It's rel style sheet. And href equals styles.css. I think that's how you do it. I'm not sure. Aye. So that's how you do it. So it's a less than sign, link. So link, and I call that the relationship, REL for relationship, for the style sheet to be linked with the index with the HTML file and the style CSS file. So the two of them is linked now. And if we didn't link them, that wouldn't work. So basically we've linked it because we've done a link rel relationship equals the style sheet, which is the style CSS is a style sheet, and the href is a link to the style.css. So hyperreference to styles.css. Congratulations, your code has passed. Yay! Yabba dabba do. For the styling of the page to look similar on mobile as it does on a desktop or laptop, you need to add a meta element with a special content attribute. Add the following in the head. So we need meta name equals viewport, content equals width equals device minus width. Okay, so we'll just copy and paste that. Control V and put it in the head. Control V, Control C, and then Control V. And just check it. Hey, congratulations, your code passed. Right, the text is centered again, so the link to the CSS file is working. Add another style to the file that changes the background property to brown for the body element. So in CSS,